Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode I want to show you how I make banana pancake. Easy peasy. If you have lots of bananas just like that, overripe bananas, then this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna do banana pancake, which is so good. You can make a lot of it and leave it in the fridge, and the next day you can just heat it up and then eat. Either microwave or just in the oven. So to make the banana pancake, we need a lot of ripe bananas. Egg is optional. Sugar, coronation milk, this is baking soda, whole milk, and all-purpose flour. Now I'm just gonna start by peeling the bananas right into this bowl right here, and then I'm just gonna use a potato masher to mash them all. So I use 8 bananas, and I'm gonna start mashing them just like that. And now I'm gonna add sugar. Just add about 3/4 cup of sugar, and then just crack the egg in it. I'm just gonna use a hand whisk and mix these 3 together first. Flour, I'm gonna add a little bit at a time, 1/2 cup at a time. Mix. Gradually add the coronation milk, again little bit at a time. I'm gonna add my last portion of the flour along with baking soda. I didn't add the whole milk yet. We may add, we may not add, depending how ripe are the bananas. The bananas are like very ripe, then they have like, you know, they are like moist and soft. Okay, so I have added the whole can of the coronation or evaporated milk, so I don't need to add whole milk. If you think you need the whole milk and this 1 can is not enough, then you can add a little bit whole milk, or you can just substitute this whole milk to only the evaporated milk. But depending, just add a little bit at a time. Again, it depends on the bananas, how ripe they are. So this is the consistency that you're looking for this pancake. Just like that. Yummy. This is a non-stick pan. I'm gonna brush it with some oil, just lightly. And then you can use anything, any size you want to make your pancake. I'm just gonna use this spoon, drop the pancake slightly, just go around like that, just to flatten the pancake a little bit, and that's it. We're just gonna let it cook over medium-low heat. I'm gonna start flipping. And now you can see how golden brown is a pancake. You can lower the heat even more if you want your pancake to be just in a light color. But this has to cook like the first side gonna take about 1 minute, and when you flip it over, it's gonna take less than 1 minute. In total, you're gonna have 12 pancake, and you don't see 12 pancake over here because we already eat some, because when you're making pancakes, the banana smell is just all around the kitchen, and you won't be able to wait for the whole thing to finish. You just want to eat, try, and it is yummy. Written ingredient will be down below in the description box. I will see you next time with another great recipe. For now, bye bye.